Hello and welcome to an AVForums video overview of the Focal Diva Utopia active wireless loudspeaker, launched today. Obviously I am here ahead of launch at Names HQ, where I've spent an enjoyable day listening to them. This is the closest partnership between Name and Focal that we've yet seen from the two companies since the merger. Now quite a long time ago. 5 years in the making. This is genuinely a combination of Focal and Name in a way that we haven't really seen before. So what you see on the outside is very, very Focal and very, very Utopia as well. Beryllium tweeter. First time that this has adopted the M-shaped profile that we've seen in less exotic models. Partnered with Utopia style composite driver. If you're thinking that's not a lot of driver for a cabinet this size, there are more of them. 2 drivers on either side, all with their onboard amplification, and that's where Name comes in. There is a spine to the rear of the speaker, which essentially combines amplification evolved from, but not exactly the same as what we've seen in Supernate platform. Partnered with Name's streaming module. For the first time, decoding is via 64-bit DSP, which sends a prepared signal to individual DACs for different drivers and then their relevant amplification. It is a true active, it's truly wireless using a proprietary ultra-wide bandwidth system. As well as onboard streaming, we've got usual niceties, HDMI ARC, optical input, analog input. You can AirPlay to them. You can do all of the things that you can do with most of the other wireless active loudspeakers that we've been looking at in recent months. The key difference being here, everything's been turned up to 11. This is a £30,000 product. And obviously that's quite a lot of money, but having spent several hours with them, I can see where the money has gone. I have to be honest as well, this feels like the future. There's no way of getting around it. I might be fond of my separate boxes and all of the other things, but if the high end has any future at all, and I really hope it does, I think it's going to look more like this than perhaps the systems that I'm more used to. I will be saving sort of comments on sound quality for a review, which will be happening in the fullness of time. But this product very, very much behaves like high-end, sounds like high-end, but it does so whilst asking very little of the people that own it. If you're thinking, this doesn't look that appealing, and I have to say it looks much, much nicer in the flesh than it may come out with in the videos itself. There will be a variety of different finishes, and you don't have to choose at the time. These all clip on and off. You can change the colour of your Divas to suit your mood. It is exquisitely made. Even on the beta software, it has proved to be entirely stable and benign in the time I've been testing it. Oh God, I've said benign again. So yes, 2nd of October, when this video has gone live, is the launch date. They will be filtering into stores across October. There will be a full review of these products based on my listening experiences here today in the fullness of time, so do look out for that as well. I've been Ed Selley, same as I usually have been. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.